Welcome learners for the lecture 18, that is a linear algebra. Today we discuss about the change of a coordinate matrix. They will be consider all of these definition or the undertake value which we uses in this form of the equation. They already discussed in a previous lecture. Today we discuss about the constant coefficient, how to generate it to the homogeneous linear differential equation. Okay. Hence, topic will be considered as a homogeneous linear differential equation with a constant coefficient. The introduction of this section consider the following problem, that is the weight of a mass m is attached to the vertically suspended spring that is allowed to stretch, and forces will be applied to the acting of the equilibrium position. Suppose that weight is now a motionless and impose an xy coordinate system with the weight and origin and spring lying to the y-axis of the condition. Okay, suppose that a certain time, say t equals to 0, the weight is covered to the form, that is a distance along the y-axis and release. The spring then brings to oscillate of this form. We describe to how to spring is rotated in this form. If t is a greater than or equals to 0, means uses as a more time that will be considering. Let f of t denote the force acting on the weight and yt denote the position of the weight along the y-axis. If suppose that we given as a y0 equals to minus s, the second derivative of a y is given to the form with respect to the condition of this equation. Suppose that this is the spring we uses in this condition, this is the x-axis, y-axis, they containing our function or the working of this position. Okay, to show that the y double dash t is the double derivative will be considering acceleration of the weight at time t. Hence the Newton's second law of motion show that f of t equals to my double dash t, they will be generated. This is the first equation. It is responsible to assume to that the weight is due to totally tension on the spring for when they are stretches to the form, and this force satisfy the Hooke's law. The force acting on the weight is proportional to the displacement from the equilibrium position, but act is the opposite direction. If k is greater than or equal, only k is greater than 0 is proportionally constant. The Hooke's law state that f of t equals to minus k by t. Okay, this is considered as a first derivative. Then this is the equation second, first and second. If we compare to the equation first and second, m double y t equals to minus k, y will be generated to the, then y double dash plus k by m, y will be generated to the form equals to 0. This is third equation when we extending to the form of equation. The expression 3 is an example of a differential equation. A differential equation is an unknown function. Y equals to yt is a equilibrium that is involving yt and a derivative of y. If derivative equation is generated to the form, in a general form, a n y to the power n plus a n minus 1 y to the power n minus 1. If we changing to value, that means reducing of the a n, then increasing to the value of this form of a y. Not getting as a increasing, they only generated as a same value will be detected in this form. A0 y, sometime lastly we generated as a0 y equals to f. This is equation 4, where a1, a0, a1, a2, and considering as the sum function of a f, we generated to the value y to the power k denote to the function of a y. Then we say it is a linear. Then considering as a linear, the function ai are called as a coefficient of a differential equation, that is equation generated as a 4. But equation 3 is generaling to the linear equation in which different equation of the coefficient are a constant. Hence the function f is generated identically 0 when f is identically 0. Equation 4 is called as a homogeneous equation. In this section, we apply to the some linear algebra, that is a homogeneous linear differential equation with a constant coefficient. If we generated as a an is not equals to 0, we say that the differential equation f will be considering as a order a. In this case, the derive both side and obtain to the new but equilibrium equation, they generated to the value y to the power n plus b to the power n minus 1 y to the power n minus 1. This first term will be uses only to the form plus considering as a b1 y to the power n equals to 0. This equation will be generated to the form where all value will be generating bi equals to ai a n for all the value I equals to 1 to n minus 1. Because of this equation we generated to the form, always consider assume that the coefficient that is a 1 will be generated in both of these conditions. The solution of a equation 4 is a function that when satisfied to the reduced equation of the 4, that is the identity form. Okay, next topic will be considering let c equals to a plus b, a plus ib build the complex number with a real part and imaginary part is generated by the p. Okay, e to the power c equals to e to the power a cos b plus sin b. This formula will be generated to the form. In the special cases, e to the power ib equals to generating form that is a cos b plus I sin b. Both of these condition is called as a Euler's formula for using to the value of e to the power ib equals to cos b plus I sin b. Both of these function will be generated. For example, given to the form c equals to generated 2 plus I pi by 3. This form will be generated e to the power c equals to e to the power considering as a c means this value that is a 2 means e to the power 2 cos pi plus I sin pi by 2 equals to e square generated as a cos pi by 2. Cos 90 will be generated as a 0. Cos sin pi by 2 is generated as a 1. Both of these condition will be applied. E square equals to this form. Then change if c is a real b equals to 0, then we obtain the usual result e to the power c equals to e to the power. Using this approach of the example 2, we consider as a trigonometric identity form that will be uses e to the power c plus d equals to e to the power separated to the form for given to the multiplication and e to the power minus c they generated as a considering to the value of a denominator of this form. Okay, for any complex number c and d will be generated to the form any value of a complex number for any value of a complex number considering as a c and d.